Hey there, my little bat droppings. Did you know that I like VTubers? I think they are pretty freaking sweet. I don't know if you noticed. I made this channel as an excuse to talk about things I like, but after looking back on my past videos, I came to a stunning conclusion. I focus way too much on the depressing stuff on this channel. Well, that's gonna change starting today. We're gonna talk about something fun, something goofy, something adorable, something that gives me the will to get up every morning and continue my sad existence as this lonely little bat. Snuffy the Raccoon's Halloween outfit is a clown, and it's cute.
Oh my god, look at us! We're so cute! Clown!
Yay, clowns!
October really is the best time of the year to be a VTuber fan. I really love the spooky gothic aesthetic. I've watched The Nightmare Before Christmas way too many times growing up. Spooky month has always been a perfect excuse for VTubers to show off a cool new outfit, and I am all here for it. Zentrea's goth werewolf outfit is top tier. It has got to be one of my favorite outfits she's ever done. Momo's spooky scary skeletons outfit is so cute. Just look at it, man. Look at it. And hey, what's that over there? Snuffy and Meat's clown outfits really stole the show for me though. They are such goofballs.
Watch out, guys! There's a new emergency weather service announcement.
I like how they can go from extremely wholesome to extremely cringe within seconds. By the way, this is tame compared to some of the other gags they did on stream. If you know, you know. Ever since I saw Harley Quinn in her skin-tight red and black bodysuit, I knew clown waifus are supreme. DC really up and created an entire generation of clown simps. Their influence is so strong that it is even felt in their movies.
What?
And it's not just Harley. We got Lunette. We got that one girl from Ace Attorney. And hey, if you ain't into Clussy, we got Hisoka for ya. Are you like me? Does the endless weight of stress leave you feeling hopeless? Rather than end it all, just watch this clip and instantly feel better.
What do you call a raccoon covered in pasta sauce? A raccoon!
You see this? This right here is quality content. It's like getting dopamine directly injected into my veins. Ah, yeah! Okay, time to get real for a minute. It's been rough for a long while. VTuber Twitter turned into the wasteland from Fallout, the economy is going to shit, and World War III is slowly feeling like more and more of a real possibility. Life sucks, but I'm glad after everything we have someone like Snuffy that makes it feel a little bit better.
My butt is itchy. Forgive me. Okay.
Yeah, it's just a raccoon in a clown costume making silly jokes. But like real clowns, VTubers try to put a smile on our face when we are feeling down. And I think that's nice.
weird? Was it silly? Did that look bad?
moving because, like, I can't see if it's tracking or if it's, like, flying everywhere. So I hope shaking my butt looked cute.
Anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching whatever the hell this weird video is. Happy Halloween, bitches. Like and subscribe for more simping over clowns.
All my life, I thought it was a tragedy. But it turns out that it's a comedy.